I'm going to bless and protect you today. It's very emotional time, and I'm sure you can feel that. This is, by the way, the essence of life from Egypt. This is very sacred essential oil that I brought back from Egypt, and it's going to be blessing your life. I'm hearing that it was your mom since the beginning, and this end of cycle, this end of 13 years cycle is very emotional, as all of your traumas and trapped emotions are coming to the surface. And it's creating, as you are very vulnerable, it's creating a door for any low vibrational toxic energy to penetrate your soul system and attack and use your light. I'm hearing against you. And my throat. It's time to speak the volume. I'm hearing it's time to make your magic happen. I'm hearing, massive throat. It's time to speak. It's time to speak your truth. If you're still in connection with that toxic mom, it's time to say no. It's time to say enough is enough. It's time to set yourself free. She's been abusing your light for too long. She is responsible of the chaos in your life. You are a pure being coming into this earth as a baby, and she was the pollution. She used your light. She used you, I'm hearing, as a garbage to put all of her emotion, and you as an empath, as a chosen, you transmuted all of her emotion, trapped emotion. You have no filter. You were just absorbing all of her darkness. Your sun. This is a massive alignment of your throat. You're going to finally be able to align with your soul mission, as your throat is aligning, rebalancing. I'm hearing your grandmother. She knew your mom was very toxic, and she tried to fix it, doing more stuff for you, maybe to compensate. The whole situation was toxic for you. It's time for justice. It's time to realign again. Your life is coming to adjustment. I'm seeing a lot of birds in the sky, like really flying, because there is so much wind. It's like the wind of change, and you're about to just, I'm getting chills everywhere. You're about to enjoy life, just go in with the flow, because again, this energy used to be carrying, trapped in your entire DNA, not yours, hers. It's time to cut. Very strong. Calling upon judgment on this person for you. God, you're going to feel better. Yes, suma. Oh, wow. Oh, liberating the throat. I am blessed for those of you that are new with very sacred frequency from Egypt. Highly working with the Mahat and Ahator and Isis to help get your power back, your inheritance back. These secret ancients chant wisdom frequency are going to realign your entire system. Liberating, freeing. Oh God, yes. I hope this is going to help you transitioning more easily. This used to trap you, not allowing you to walk. I'm seeing a lot of tension in your back. Also maybe trapping and not allowing your kundalini to rise. Therefore, you can't evolve and grow as your kundalini is supposed to rise every single month and burn the trapped emotions as a sacred technology. It's supposed to do her work. She's supposed to do her work. She's supposed to transmute the wounds stored in your sacral chakra, in your hips. And if the energy is not circulating correctly due to trapped emotions in chakras, she cannot do her work correctly. If you want to dig deeper, you want to check my website. I'm offering powerful codes and masterclass. It's life-changing. It's next level. It's beyond. Your sleep is going to be better. I got eight on the timer. I got new vision. This is beautiful. This is energy from the Pleiades, visionary and inspired ideas. I think you're definitively here to create a new earth, and whether you need to take a break or life is going to allow you to rest, because this emotion, that was trapped, thank you God, was highly perturbating your inner child. Your inner child just wants to talk, to breathe, to play, but this trapped emotion, she just ruined your childhood, I'm hearing, and it's enough. It's enough. Yeah, I have the heart healing emotions, and this is absolutely crazy. Like, this confirmation is just beyond. You're healing your inner child right now. This emotional time. It says abandonment. So you might come from a confirmation. You might come from an abandonment wound, and you're processing all of this emotion right now to offer to yourself a new life, and it's starting. Remember, January 26th, we're entering this portal, and everything is going to be different. Now you want to drink plenty of water, and you want to rest because it was extremely powerful. And until next time, I love you. Namaste.